All right, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look at this next problem. We're looking at review problems for the semester for college algebra. This is another mixture problem. Um, I like to draw diagrams. How many ounces of pure vinegar must be added to 12 ounces of salad dressing with 10% vinegar to form a salad dressing that increases that concentration from 10% to 25%. So I'm starting out with the salad dressing, and the salad dressing is kind of weak. It only has 10% vinegar. I want to increase that, so I'm going to add pure vinegar, and pure vinegar is 100% vinegar. That's going to create a new mixture that increases the concentration from 10% up to 25%. So it more than doubles the concentration. Um, I started out with 12 ounces of this 10%. Now, I'm going to end up with more than 12 ounces because I'm adding an unknown number of ounces to the current dressing. So my final is 12 plus x. Okay. So to get my equation, I'm going to multiply the percent times the amount that I have here. So let's take 12 times, if we write 10% as a decimal, 0.10. Let's take x, and 100% as a decimal is just the number 1. And here we've got 12 plus x, and we're going to multiply it by 0.25 because 25% as a decimal is 0.25. So when I multiply by 10, the decimal point moves. If I divide by 10, it also moves. This 12 times 0.1 is 1.2. 1 times x is just x. 1/4 of 12 is 3. And then I'll have 0.25 times x. I need to get the x's on one side and the numbers on the other. So let's subtract 1.2 from each side. So I have the x here, and 3 minus 1.2 is 1.8, right? And then plus the 0.25 x. Let's subtract 0.25x from each side. And if I do that, 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75. 1.8. If I jump to a calculator, and if I take 1.8 and divide it by the coefficient 0.75, what do I get? 2.4. So I claim that if you have this salad dressing of 12 ounces and you want to increase the vinegar, you like more of a vinegar taste, you can take this pure vinegar, 2.4 ounces, add it to the 12 ounces, come up with 14.4 ounces of a new salad dressing that's more to your taste of 25% vinegar. Hey, I hope that helps, and talk to you later.